is Karen. So today's video is going to be my shoe collection, and I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite shoes that I really like to wear day to night. And my sister gonna help me to film.
So yeah, I'm gonna help her to film and edit this video. So we hope that you guys enjoy, and let's just jump right into the video.
There's nothing good about you. You never got into me. I listen when you prove me, baby. You got everything you asked for. No one can deny you. Everything comes